Welcome. Today's purpose of this instructional video is to create a pie chart into Microsoft Excel. So what are pie charts? Pie charts contain just one data series and they represent the relationship of parts to a whole. You want to consider using a pie chart when you have just the one series of data and then you want to represent parts of a whole. All the values should also not be negative or zero, and you should have no more than 7 categories. So once you've entered your data into Excel and have decided the content is appropriate for a pie chart, you can get started. Your data should look similar to the one right here on the screen, depending on the information used and how you formatted it. The first step is to highlight the information you would like to include into the pie chart. So in this instance, it would be cells A3 to B9. Notice that I did not highlight the total because I don't want to include that into my pie chart. So once you've got it highlighted, you want to click on the Insert tab, which is located at the top of the screen. Hit that and look for the Charts group, which we can see it's right here. Once you find the Charts group, you want to click on Pie. So there's a variety of other charts, but today's instructional video is about the pie. So click that, and then here is a drop-down menu. And you want to choose the pie chart you'd like to use. So for today, I'd like to use the 3D pie. I'm going to choose this one right here. So the pie chart pops up onto the screen, and then above it there's a design tab right here where you can basically format the pie chart however you'd like. So the first thing I want to do to make a little bit clearer is go over here to the chart styles. So you're going to click the More button, and I want to do white lines between my pie slices. Makes it a little bit easier to see where it actually ends. The next thing I want to do is go over here to Chart Layouts and click the More button. And then you want to select, I want to use the one with percentages so that it's easier to see how much of the pie is actually going into a certain category. So I'm going to choose this one, and now you can see there's different percentages here, and it also gives you opportunity to put a chart title. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and just name the chart title the same as the data that's already on Excel. So expenses for June 2012, and that's basically the pie chart. Like I said, you can play with the layout, you can play with the format, but this is just a basic pie chart that kind of gives you an idea on what you want to do. And that's it.